BMW and the British government are working together to ensure MINI production remains in the UK. The BMW Group has announced a new investment of more than £600 million or 11.5 trillion Indonesian rupiahs in the MINI Oxford and Swindon factories, fully supported by the UK government. With this new investment, we are developing the Oxford plant for the production of new generation electric mini cars and paving the way for the production of pure electric cars in the future, said Milan Nedeljković, board member of the company responsible for the production company BMW AG, in the company's Sept. 11 newsletter. The factory in Oxford is being upgraded to produce the new 3-door Mini Cooper EV and the Aceman crossover model, which replaces the existing Clubman. At the same time, Swindon's body pressing facilities will also be upgraded to suit the new design. MINI brand manager Stephanie Wurst said MINI has always been aware of its history, where Oxford is and will remain at the heart of the brand. I am delighted that 2 new all-electric Mini models, namely the Mini Cooper and Mini Aceman, will also be produced in Oxford, strengthening our path towards an all-electric future, he added. Starting in 2024, the Oxford Mini factory will also produce the next generation 3- and 5-door Mini Coopers with internal combustion engines. They also produce the latest cabriolet models. The Oxford factory is said to not reach full production capacity until 2026. The factory produces around 200,000 cars per year, with internal combustion engines, ICE, and electric vehicles, BEV, on the same platform. From 2030, the Oxford factory will switch to electric vehicles only and MINI will become a fully electric brand. In addition, the factory built in China is specifically for electric models, so MINI no longer has an ICE factory. The 3-door Mini Cooper and all-electric Aceman are produced in China, specifically at the MINI and Great Wall Motors factory in Zhangjiagang. Exports from China will begin in 2024. At the same time, production of the new Mini Countryman will also start in a few weeks at the BMW Group factory in Leipzig. The larger crossover models of the Mini series are offered with pure electric motors and internal combustion engines. According to the Auto Express report, the British government on September 11 funded around £75 million or around 1.4 trillion Indonesian rupiahs from an investment of £600 million to secure jobs at the 2 factories. This decision shows enormous confidence in the UK economy and the government's efforts to ensure the continued strength of the world's leading automotive industry. We are proud to support the BMW Group's investment, which will create quality jobs, strengthen our supply chain and drive UK growth, said British Minister for Trade and Business Kemi Badenoch.